Did you know that a simple sheet of kitchen foil could be the secret weapon your garden has been missing? If you've ever struggled with pests ruining your plants or birds making a mess, this 2-minute trick is about to change everything. Stick around, you're gonna love this. Aluminum foil has been around since 1903, but it was originally used just for wrapping medicine and chocolate. Today, it's a household hero for cooking and shielding electronics, but we're using it for something far more genius. And no, we're not cooking with it today. Fold it into a firm, straight strip so it holds its shape. Tie a piece of thread or string to one end, or simply use a clothespin to attach it. Now, hang the foil anywhere you want to protect your plants, such as from a tree branch, a garden stake, or near your vegetable patch. It must catch the light and move freely. Or if you have an old CD lying around, that works like a charm too. So why does this work? It's pure physics. The reflective flashes of light act like a strobe to birds and insects. It confuses and irritates their eyes, making them flee. Plus, as the foil rustles in the wind, it creates subtle sound waves that these animals hate. It's a 100% natural, chemical-free way to protect your crops and peace of mind. Give this easy garden hack a try and see the results for yourself. Thanks for watching.